Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 14 of Vlogmas. The vibe is kind of crisp because it was early. It is like 7:49 a.m. right now. I'm doing this. So anyways, guys, hi, if you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, so that you can keep up with me and my face. Today's video, we will be doing a this or that Christmas edition tag. So I saw this video and I decided to do this video because I'm like, it seems fun. I would like to look at the things that people are saying this or that to, and share with you guys what are my preferences, and ask you guys to comment down below what are your preferences. So if you hear a question or this or that you would like to comment and say if you agree with me or not, just go ahead and comment that down below.
It ain't even cold outside now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see those.
Alright guys, so the first one, I have them written down in my little book here. I have what, 15 of them. So I'm gonna just go through and tell you guys which one I prefer and probably why I prefer that one. So yes, the first one I have on it is real or fake tree. So a real tree versus a fake tree. I would choose a fake tree. I don't think we have any. Well, we probably have the real ones in Jamaica, I don't know, but I don't people even buy them. I don't know, I just prefer a fake tree. I don't think I would be wanting to smell that piney, the real smell of a tree. Plus it means every year I'm going to have to go out and buy a tree because it can't stay until the next year. I don't know, y'all let me know. I really don't know. Anyways, eggnog or hot cocoa? I'd say hot cocoa, but in Jamaica we drink mostly hot chocolate. Yeah, I don't know if we can find it here, so but yes, we drink mostly hot chocolate, but I would choose it. The hot cocoa is near to it, so I'd say hot cocoa. All right, colored lights or white lights? This is very hard to choose because I like lights overall. The white lights are beautiful and all, but I like a little bit of color sometimes, so I'd say I'll choose colored lights. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments down below. Gingerbread or sugar cookies? I've never had a gingerbread, so I'd say sugar cookies. They're awesome. Why Christmas or tropical Christmas? Like, it's Christmas in Jamaica, y'all. Christmas Jamaican style. So tropical Christmas. Green Christmas tree or white? I've never been in the snow, so I must say green Christmas tree. For me the white, it's too much for me. Let me know in the comments down below which one you prefer. Do you prefer a white tree or a green tree? Because for me, it's when I put on white, because probably because of how I see persons decorate their white tree. Because their white tree, they normally have on, like, you have some persons put on colors on it, like they put on pink, and I want to see colors. Like my tree, this is my tree, y'all see it, right? Red, and the green is just be popping, and the red be popping beside it with the white and the gold. I want to see a lot of colors, man. I want to see a lot of colors. All right, so angel topper or star topper? I'll say star topper. I've never even had a angel topper. The star is just so cute. I think the angel will be cute, but I prefer the star. The Grinch or Home Alone? No beat Home Alone. Like, I love the Grinch, yes, but Home Alone is much better. So this one, Home Alone. Fairy lights or candles? I'd say fairy lights. Candles is not, for me, is not really a well, I love candles, but for Christmas I'd say fairy lights. I prefer fairy lights because it's just Christmas, you know, Christmas. Christmas movies or Christmas music. You guys know I don't really like movies that much, so I'ma choose music. When it comes on to my favorite music, if you guys want me to do like a playlist of my favorite music, I'll tell you guys like all the music I love, but for the most part it is Pentatonix, Mariah Carey. I just pretty much always just look for a lot of Christmas songs. When it comes to this, well, I start with them from like, when I stop listening to Christmas music, I listen to Christmas music like all through the year. Let me know in the comments down below if you will listen to music like Christmas music all through the year, or is it just Christmas time? Because I listen to it all through the year. Most times I really and truly really listen to it mostly like from September go back, you know, or for like summer, when summer done, go straight back. But yeah, giving gifts or receiving gifts. I love to give gifts, yes, but your girl want to receive something, you know. I like to give gifts, but it's nice to get something and, you know, have it to open up and say, yes, I got this for Christmas. So I'd say receiving gifts. Wrapping presents or using gift bags. I love to wrap, and I like to see gifts how they're wrapped so pretty with a little bow on top or something. The bags are cute, yes, but I think to spend the time to wrap a gift is like, you know, that a person put in time in that gift. So I like to wrap gifts, so wrapping gifts. Christmas or New Year? Christmas. For me, in my family, most of the action mostly happens at Christmas because we normally go and visit our families and all of that. In New Year's, we just normally most times stay at home. So, well, this year is gonna be both staying at home, but normal times I would prefer Christmas because most people put most of the emphasis on Christmas. So Christmas. Fuzzy socks or slippers? Y'all, I am a socks person. If I show y'all my socks collection right now, y'all ain't gonna even believe. I love socks, and once I see socks I get excited, so I'm gonna say socks. I'm not really a slippers person. I love like Crocs and what do you call those slippers, like those bed slippers. I kind of like them because you have some of them that kind of look cute like a socks, but my preference would have been a socks. And I wanted a fuzzy socks for Christmas, but I didn't order it, so that's that. And the final one is spend Christmas with friends or spend Christmas with family. And I would say spend Christmas with family. Christmas time is like a time for family, and you see your friends like pretty much for the whole year. So the Christmas time, I believe, is a time to spend with your family. Yes, friends can be there, but you know, it's a family time. It's a family moment, you know. It's a family time. So yes, that is my this or that questions Christmas edition. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead down below and tell me. This is going to be your question. Which do you prefer? I would like to know if you prefer colored lights or white lights, and I also want to know if you prefer green tree or do you prefer a white tree. I'm curious. I'd like to know like which one you guys prefer and whatever. So yeah, so yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was fun to make, and yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not yet done so. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below so that you can get shout out in my next video. For today's subscriber shout out of the day is going to go to Davon Brown and Nooks TV. So yes guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing and commenting, and it means a lot to me that you took the time out to comment. So thank you. And guys, if you would like your shout out, go ahead and comment something down below. I just randomly pick persons or a person. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.